Having a bad hair day? Stay with us and learn these quick and cute braids, which you can do in less than 5 minutes. The classic French braid is one of the most basic braiding techniques. Start by brushing tangles out of hair. Take a large section of hair from the top center part of your head and divide it into 3 equal strands. Begin your braid placing the right strand over the middle, then the left strand over the new middle strand. Pick up a new piece of hair, add it to the right strand, and cross it over the center. Repeat the same move on the other side. Go on with these moves until you've run out of hair to add, and finish with the simple 3-strand braid. If you have long hair, opt for a textured fishtail braid. Split your hair into 2 equal sections. Take a thin strand from the left and cross it to the right. Repeat the same process on the right, and continue until you reach the end of the hair. The waterfall braid is the perfect choice for second-day hair. Choose a thin strand from the front and divide it into 3. Place the left strand, then the right strand over the middle strand. Add a new piece of hair to the left strand. Let go of the right strand and replace it with a new one. Continue this pattern, adding new locks to the left strand and replacing the right strand until you reach the back of the head. Your bangs don't want to stay in place? Go for a simple lace braid. Split a strand from the front into 3. Place the left strand, then the right strand, under the middle strand. Go on like this, but each time you get to the right strand, pick up and add new pieces of hair to the braid. The crown braid is the ultimate summer hairstyle, and it's a lot easier to do it than you would think. Start with a Dutch braid. Take a thick strand and divide it into 3. Place the left, then the right strand, under the middle strand. Then, with every move, grab and add new pieces of hair to the braid. Continue this pattern until you get a nice headband. Then braid around your head to form a perfect circle. Braid the remaining hair with the simple 3-strand braiding technique and secure it on your head with bobby pins.